WordPress is so much more than a website builder, and there are many things you may have wanted to do, but didn't want to add another platform, login, or password. What if I told you that you can use your WordPress site to create an online forum, promote your podcast, manage an affiliate marketing business, engage and reward your customer with a gamified experience, create a learning management system for your online course? You can if you understand a few simple processes to follow, but we've got you covered with a step-by-step, over-the-shoulder video course. So in about 47 minutes, we're going to have you ready to unleash the full power of WordPress without lots of wasted time and extra things to do, keeping you from the most important tasks that you already have, which is everything needed to understand how to use WordPress as more than just a blog or a regular website, and without all the fluff. Getting started is simple. Just click or claw the buy button below. And before the full moon rises, you will have unleashed the full power of WordPress. Don't get caught without it. Just claw or click the buy button below. WordPress Unleashed.